Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've had this 1985 Trans Am now for a week, and I just put tires on it. Went to Les Schwab's and got some fairly cheap, I think they're called the Road Control 16-inch tires. They're okay, they'll do the job. So driving back from Les Schwab, I was really feeling pretty good about the car. Everything's great, and pulled it into the garage here. And what do I get? A radiator leak. So yeah, on the driver's side, down somewhere, I'm guessing it's probably, I don't really know where the leak is. Won't know really until I pull it out, but I do know it's not on any of the hoses. So it's just accumulating down on the radiator support and dripping down on that driver's side. So what we're going to do, we're going to just replace this radiator. We're just going to pull this one out and we'll put a new one in. They're not expensive, and I think I can find a stock replacement pretty cheaply. But I'd feel better about knowing that I have a decent radiator in here. You know, I've got decent tires now. I'm going to go ahead and get a decent radiator in there, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, I'm going to film a little bit here. There won't be a whole lot that most of you haven't seen already. Radiators are pretty common part to change. So anyway, here we go. Thanks. Okay, I'm under here and I can let you guys see where the leak was coming from. Just, you know, the radiator support on this driver's side in the corner here. I never saw any fluid on any other side. So I'm pretty confident that, and from any hose, so I'm pretty confident that this thing just started leaking inside somewhere. Fan shroud bolts out, and I definitely have both hoses off, especially that last one. What a gusher. Not bad though, because I siphoned off quite a bit of fluid. But in theory now we should be able to pull the shroud off and pull the radiator out, so that's what we're going to do. Okay guys, there's some pretty nasty stuff coming out of this. old radiator. Let's take a look. Looks like it's a A5 GM stamped. I don't know what these numbers mean, but maybe somebody can comment on this. It's a Harrison radiator, GM Harrison. There's a 32. Okay, here's the old radiator out of the car, and what I'm seeing, I filled it with water. Kind of rigged up hose so it'll hold water. Of course, it's not under pressure. What I'm finding is that on this corner, you can see it's seeping down on this seam. So I've dried it off completely a couple of times, and it's leaving moisture down there. So what I'm thinking is just that seam down in the corner is bad. So I was able to get a replacement radiator on Rock Auto. It's a OSC 951 aluminum 2-row 26 1/4 by 17 1/4 by 1 1/4. So it's going to work just perfectly. $105 plus shipping.